We're having a dance party.
There are 2 imposters among us.
Alright, let's go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Red, let's stick together. I like you.
I have a lot of tasks over here. Did I not even? Okay, not even one in there, bro.
So, just okay. First of all, I'll just tell you right now, it's Blue. Blue, you really gotta watch your surroundings when you're killing people.
Wait, what, me?
Yeah, boy,
I
I saw you
watched you
chasing
do it
us.
right outside electrical door. I was inside electrical. You walked up, cut his head off, turned around, ran the other way.
Definitely blue. Definitely blue.
He's not wrong.
straight.
He wasn't
What are you talking
electrical when
about?
I saw him.
It's definitely blue. He was walking away from where the dead
Yep.
body was, so yeah, definitely blue. We also didn't see him. Did anyone see him do an actual task?
I mean, if you count murder as a task, yes, I saw him do a task.
Okay. We're done for.
Dark has 3.
Blue vote. Stop prolonging the vote.
Oh.
Okay.
Let's go. That's a win.
I was wondering what a virtual task was, but okay.
He knew it. Who knew? He knew. He knew.
Bro, you know there's 2 imposters, right?
Get out of here.
Let's go!
Let's go. One imposter less.
All right, yellow's safe.
And I'm
Wait, I have visual in med bay. I have visual.
Cyan, I know cyan's good. We're about to find out white's good.
Oh my god!
Dude,
I
come
have visual in
on.
med bay. I got big visual in.
Come on.
Bro, who? What is it?
Who?
Yeah, I think it's... oh my god.
Who?
I accidentally voted, yo. I accidentally voted up.
I'm not.
I'm just skipping. I have no proof.
Well, white was about to do a visual task and had no way of knowing black was gonna pull the lever, so or hit the button like God, pull the lever. Over.
And I go
Wait, I
up
have
one
visual
and I
task in med bay.
accidentally
I have visual task in med bay.
Well, we only get one emergency meeting. Black just wasted theirs, so good job, Black. You're
Amazing.
muted
Wait,
and
can
you're
we-
trolling the button. I mean, it almost makes
Bro,
you want to vote
Cyan,
out right
bro!
I have visual. I have visual. Can you guys want
right.
visual?
Bro!
I have a
Yeah.
visual in med bay.
there. Yeah, but I'm gonna watch
Try it.
White do his trash first.
Okay, let's watch.
I
White do
accidentally
trash
voted.
and I can have visual in med bay.
Huh?
No, you're
No,
not
you're
red.
white. You might be red in other lobbies, but we see you as white. All right, let's check it out.
All right.
I just hid my name. You go to the settings, and under gameplay, scroll to the second page and click hide my username.
Is it visual? Oh yeah,
It
it's
is, yeah.
visual. Here, can we come over to medbay now? I want it medbay. Someone's gonna get killed. Yep. Kind of suspect, but okay. Here, you guys want one? Green kind of sus, but okay.
Black didn't press the button for some reason. Gotta go all the way back here. Great. Oh my
That is so
gosh!
good. That is-
It's
that was
black.
Yeah,
such a
what?
that was such a good play. Okay, so he just told Black to give a thumbs up, and when
And-
Black gave a thumbs up, he just killed Yellow.
Well,
Vote Black.
He's accepting his fate already.
Vote Black. That was a genius play, Yellow. That was
Dang it,
an
that's
absolutely
sad.
genius play, Yellow. That actually makes sense. Yellow. That's really good play. Vote now, or we're gonna kick you from the game. Vote now. Vote. Skip.
I think he.
Skip
I
or
think
vote
he thinks.
yourself.
I
Everyone
think that
vote.
he thinks he's unmuted.
Don't wait out the game.
But I think he thinks that he's not. Also, we're trying to speak in sign.
Waiting out a vote is an offense. I see
You're
myself as
white.
red. Haha.
Sometimes it shows that I'm pink when I'm like a different color. I think it shows what your original color was. Adios, los amigos. Yeah, we won. Yippee, we won. That was so smart of Yellow.
Yellow, that was such a genius. Where's Yellow?
He's... Oh, there he is.
Oh wait, where's he at?
Wait, what? Where'd he go?
Yellow left.
No!
Where is he?
Oh.
Oh, he's gone again. Here, start the game. I think he's stuck.
Wait, is he still on the list? Yeah, he said he was leaving.
He left. Oh. That was such a genius play. Get the imposter to do a thumbs up.
Wait, what was the play? I wasn't paying attention.
So
I was trolling you in
Yellow-
medbay though.
Oh, yeah, I couldn't do the task.
Oh, I'm host. We're waiting for more people.
Basically, Yellow
Huh.
Yellow told someone to give.
Value me. Been like a virus now. Okay,
Guys,
that's it.
emergency meeting.
Oh yeah, one imposter.
What?
Wait.
That shouldn't be that bad.
Guys,
Okay,
I'm a
okay.
crewmate.
Okay, I'm good.
Alright, I'm the imposter.
Okay, everyone has to split
I'm
up.
an engineer.
Okay. I'm gonna make the case. They could be lying to engineers because I know they do.
Hi.
Thank you, Maybe. I finished the tax.
Green,
Go back to
green,
Maybe.
hey green, hey green, hey
Wait.
green, hey green,
Wait.
hey green.
I don't know
Come
what
over
you're
here.
trying to say. I'm trying to watch it.
Green, come over here. Hey, white, follow me. Wait. Okay. Tell me if the button pushing is a task. Tell me if the button pushing is a task. Is it or not? Yes or no? Yes, it's a task.
Hey guys, stay back. Me axe, bro. Stay back. Hey, wait, me axe. Hey, bro. Okay, actually, can I eat you for a sec?
Oh my. Wait, I saw
No,
red kill. It was red.
It's a top G right there. It's a big G, the letter G right there. See that D?
It's definitely green.
It has
It's
like
definitely green.
R-E-E-E-N.
Green and I did a thing. It definitely did it. Huh? Green just killed in front of like all of us.
It was
Why
red.
you snitch on me? Why you snitch on me, red?
Yeah, dude, it was so red. It was red, bro.
Admits it.
It was red.
Admits it.
Cyan, please vote red, bro.
It did a thing. It's definitely did a thing too.
Oh!
No. Oh. No.
What's
Yeah,
wrong?
Taking me over that
I
is
can't
crazy.
believe you're telling anybody I killed him. I eat him. I'm trying to say
Oh wait,
he was
two
swift.
people.
I was trying to say they swift. The guy swift.
No
okay?
need to start fuming over
We
Among
need
Us
two
VR.
people, but okay.
Guys, I'm a crewmate.
For me.
Guys, I swear on the
Jinx.
Yeah, I'm a crewmate again now. No, I was imposter last time. No,
I have garbage. Ew. Ugh. Huh?
Alright. I'm in.
My decks, where you guys?
It's Cyan! It's Cyan! It's Cyan!
Guys. Actually, 7 guys. Okay, actually 7 guys. I tried to tell you guys I have a sus with somebody.
Who?
What
Who is it?
now?
Oh, I'm
Who
not
is
telling you after you're done the meeting.
Wait, how did
So
you
I-
call the meeting? I thought. Oh wait, no, it's purple. I was looking at purple. No, who is it? Who is it? Point. Who is it?
Purple. You over there cheating?
Cyan?
there
Okay,
lying?
let's vote on Cyan.
I was about to say it might be
Purple.
Cyan, but I was gonna. But
Let's vote on Cyan just because for the funny.
I was saying it was Cyan
Ah.
before anyone else, because,
I'll vote
you know, I saw him
myself.
chasing you. And I was like, man, this kid's sus.
Oh, you gave up? Oh yeah, I know.
Funny.
You just gave up. Cyan just gave up. Give up.
Imagine he's actually the imposter. Oh,
Dang.
What the-
Why did he put himself out? Like I didn't know.
I think it's purple.
yeah, purple seems
Just go
kinda
show your
sus.
Memphis scan, guys. Show your Memphis scan. Show your Memphis scan, guys. Show your Memphis scan first, okay? For when your people out. Okay, maybe see you did your scan, bro, so that I can. If you're clear. Yeah. Okay, you're clear. Okay, clear.
If I get killed, it's purple.
Yeah.
Why is someone
I killed Boo again. That was me again.
Alright, it was
again,
me. It was
sorry.
me. I killed him. I killed
No, it
him.
was me, Orange. It was me. It was me, boy. It was me.
There's just no way.
I killed him. Vote me.
No, I killed him, bro. I killed him, bro.
It was all
I
me.
killed him.
I'm sorry, guys.
No,
I
that's
can't
me,
live
bro.
with the guilt of killing another person.
No, it should be me. I vote out now.
There's no way.
No, it has to be me, Orange. It has to be
Stop
me. It has to
killing
be
each
me.
other and taking
has
the
to be me.
blame. Damn.
It was all me, bro. I'm sorry.
I
No,
heard
it has to be
kills,
me,
too.
bro. It has to be all me. Give anybody vote right now so I can go to the
Please,
vote.
oh wait, it can't be a tie.
No! I'm gonna go
There's no way.
purple.
Let's vote out
Voting
purple,
red.
even though we know
Yeah,
he's
no,
not
let's vote
the
out purple
imposter.
because he's selling.
Vote out purple. All right, whoever the imposter is, don't vote him out. Don't. Whoever the.
Oh, that was me. I'm sorry, bro. Oh yeah, that was me. You want to report it? Alright, let's go fix this sabotage. Hey, White, I'm gonna kill. For you. White! White! It's White! I saw White kill! I saw White kill! I saw White kill!
It has to be me, bro. It has to be me. No, it has to be me. It's
No,
me.
bro, it's White! It's White! I saw White kill! Please vote White, bro. Please.
It has to be
Oh my
me. You know
God.
why? It has to be
We
me.
can't agree on anything.
No. You have to vote me out. This is your only chance to. You have to vote me out. It's only meant to win. You have to vote me out.
No, bro, it's me. I'm voting myself out.
I have to vote
I'm just
myself
kidding.
out.
Because I'm the imposter, so I'll never vote myself out. Call,
I'm gonna.
Alright, well,
Okay, vote me out. Right? Vote
GG's.
me.
I knew I
out.
couldn't win.
I dare you.
So,
Vote me out, bro. You got to vote
nah,
me
bro,
out.
I'm the imposter. So don't be stupid.
Just vote me out, bro.
Yeah, see? You won. Good job.
I tried to tell you to vote me out. That's your best answer.
At least he killed.
I give you a chance to vote me out when you voted.
Can we have two imposters in all the roles?
Yeah, you wanna know how many people have watched that guy kill? Too many.
Actually, there's like
More
two
fingers than I have on my
bicycle
hand.
lights.
1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 fingers on my hand.
Thanks for counting.
We'll get some better hands.
Yeah, no problem.
Can we
There's a
have
tell
all
her to
the
vote me out. I'll just give you a chance to vote
There's
me
only
out.
2 roles.
But-
Oh, there is. What's the role?
Start the
No, but
game,
there's
start
only
the
one.
game, start the game, start the game!
I'm starting, you piggy.
Hey guys, I can test
Yeah.
if I'm
Hey,
Hey, you
imposter
can only do
again,
up to
I'm gonna
3,
go-
so...
If I'm imposter
I
again,
did
I'm
the
gonna
most I
go
could.
we.
Imposter. What is this?
I'm
Why am I
engineer!
a pink? Why am I pink?
I'm
Oh
an
my
engineer.
Yeah!
God, here.
I'm crewmate.
Hey guys, wait, I'm imposter, you can vote me out. I'm sorry. Watch this, I'm gonna vent. Oh wait. This vent's taken by someone else. Bro,
It was-
someone's using
Yeah, I'm gonna go to Mepe first for doing it. Yeah.
Yeah, what's stopping me from killing you right now while I'm controlling this plane? Like, you know? Anyway, there's literally nothing stopping me from killing this kid. I wanna... you. Get back here, Purple.
Black, orange the imposter.
Can the imposter stop blocking up all the doors? Can the imposter stop
No,
blocking up
no.
all the doors?
Open the door.
Like, jeez.
What? No. No. Red, go that way. Black, go that way. Bro, what is Red doing?
Alright, it was
saved
all
it, I
me.
saved
I'm
it, I
sorry,
saved it.
guys. I
Red,
can't live
what
with
are
the
you
guilt of
doing?
being
I
an
thought you-
imposter.
I saved it. I saved it. It was glitched. I couldn't use it.
Alright, it's me,
glitch.
guys. Just vote
You
me.
were in the freaking
We can end this quick.
wall. By the way, it's orange.
Oh, really?
Let me do it.
I'm kind of blind, so. What's
Bro,
okay?
what
he's
did
trolling,
he
he's
say?
trolling, He's
Why
trolling.
did Orange admit
There's
that he
no
was
way
the
he's
imposter
trolling.
then?
All right. What's
Red.
Pink? You just accused someone.
I didn't.
Pink kind of just accused someone, and he got voted out, and he was actually an engineer.
No. No. He said he was the imposter. Do you not remember that?
Oh.
Yeah, I didn't accuse him. He accused himself.
Oh well.
So who is
Why?
it?
I have a visual task. I can prove it.
Yeah.
Why? Purple. Who?
Alright. If it's not red, then it's either me or purple. Yeah, alright.
Did you all vote purple for me?
Oh my god. Red would thought he was gonna get away with it. Red.
That was kind of a
Red,
crazy
you thought
move
you
by
was
Red.
gonna
Make it
get
two
away with it,
imposters.
buddy.
It's unfair. Make it 2 imposters.
Only if we get 8 people. Alright, 10, 9, 8,
Hey guys, maybe get a
7,
beer. Maybe get a
6,
beer from this.
6,
5,
Hey guys,
4,
4.
3,
I'm gonna get a beer. We
2,
get some.
1.
Whoever's the
I got 9
imposter
beers.
gets
I got 9
Hey,
beers.
look.
I got a bunch of
8.
beers.
Stop it.
So-
It's 8.
Oh, I can't change it.
Oh my god. Hello.
It was your guys' fault. You told me to put one imposter.
Yes, I'm an engineer.
I'm an engineer
Oh,
too.
I'm an imposter, finally.
I'm a imposter too, Lawrence. I'm a imposter, guys.
I like pasta.
Me try.
I'm
try to
a
do
imposter.
something.
Bro, Red, stop. You. Okay. I'm an engineer.
Okay. I just got scared for you once for me, so I.
It's definitely the one. No.
Alright,
What am I
there's
doing,
like
playing
two imposters,
whack-a-mole?
isn't it? Wait. Oh shit, no, never mind. Bond down the bay to bang the bond, do do and then
I just got done with this task. I'm about to head to my second one.
Ugh, finish right now. That's crazy. You didn't guys finish that task. That's crazy.
Well, maybe we need to stay together. I fixed it.
No, actually, wait, yellow. Guys, it's yellow! It's yellow!
No, it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not.
What's that?
But never mind.
It's yellow.
Okay, why is it yellow?
I saw
Wait, why is it
green,
yellow?
Cuz!
but he might be engineer.
Yellow was running up to me.
Yeah, I'm engineer.
Also, I'm the imposter. I was standing next to a dead body the entire game and no one noticed.
Buddy, you're not the imposter.
Yeah, I am. You know what? Fine. I'll kill another person. I'll stand right on top of their body, and I bet none of you will notice. You want me to do that again?
I think
Where's
it's
Mr. Purple?
yellow.
You want me to do that
Follow
again?
him.
You want me to stand on top of a body the entire game?
Blueberry
Yeah.
grape guy.
He's an
Well, that
eggplant.
makes me-
Oh, I'm gonna kill whoever I want.
It's yellow!
They dropped those charges.
Purple, vote!
I don't know what you're talking
Purple!
about,
Mr. Q, vote!
so- You know
Also,
that
guys,
name
it's not
is
yellow.
like cube.
You vote. You
Bro, I
vote.
don't know
said
my voting.
cube.
so
You. Oh my god, dude!
Hey, Green, can I kill you?
Sure, thing. I was gonna have to go find.
Yeah, wait. Let's create the triangle. You, me, for pink. So I can't kill anyone. Here, let's go.
Okay. Tell my.
no pink. Let's go.
You
Only
didn't
three of
do-
us.
You did a thing. You didn't do a thing.
Yeah, I did.
What thing?
Come with us.
Oh,
No,
yeah.
you didn't. You didn't do a thing. Anything.
I think I did.
Dude,
I
look at
don't
your
know.
name.
Is it just did a thing? I don't know why it's just did a thing. That's weird.
That did anything.
That's not how you spell did anything.
I don't know. I can read this. Don't
Yeah,
read.
bro, I can't
Let me
read
say
your
again.
name.
Did any?
Yo,
Did
Black's
admin.
behind you.
I'm gonna lock this door and I'm just gonna kill whoever's inside.
Oh, no! Unlock the door.
I was gonna go down. Wait.
I'm gonna lock the
Oh,
door.
he's no imposter.
Oh, he's soundboarding in there. Oh yeah. Oh, you did it. Hey, as soon as I get out, I'm gonna kill this guy.
Who
I
killed? Who
reported
killed? Who
it to the
killed?
wall.
Who killed you, Black? Who killed
Oh, I
you?
killed him through the wall.
imposter.
Green
Hi,
killed
guys.
you?
My bad, guys. I killed him through the wall. It's me.
You did it. You reported nobody.
No, it's me. It's me, bro. It's me.
I thought I reported him. I just killed him.
Hi, Mr. Green Bean.
It's purple. It's so
Should it be you, Bean?
Come on, Mr. Green Bean. Bean Green.
Who said that? Who said that? That's racist. Who said that? That's racist. Who said that? That's racist.
We're just gonna run around in the dark.
Guess what?
I was just about to complete that one task. I was just about to complete it.
Yellow's trying to
Yeah,
get
I got
himself
purple.
out.
Watch
Man,
him kill it.
bro, Orange is trying to get himself
purple.
out.
Don't point at me like
There's
that.
no way. Purple's actually zombie.
I know it's green.
Huh? Yeah.
I know.
Should we kick purple?
You lucky you dodged that.
Why?
Hey, after this,
We should-
hey,
Orange is the host. We need to kick purple because he's actually selling.
yeah, after this, hey, after this, I'm gonna go this. Right now.
He's the
Yeah, bro,
host.
he
We
is.
can't do anything about that.
Wait.
Yeah, we can. We can report him to kick vote. Yeah, we can.
Oh, I will. I think we should create another triangle.
Dude, we lost anyway.
Wow.
Game over.
You dumb green bean!
You, guys
You
can't even
dumb
play the
green
video game.
bean! You dumb green bean!
Make it 2 imposters. Make it 2 imposters.
You guys are just mad because I'm good.
2 imposters!
You're not good at nothing!
I literally own the lobby.
I'm an
I'm an engineer
engineer.
again. I'm an engineer
Wait,
again.
guys,
okay.
if we kick him, the whole
engineer
lobby's
again,
going
I'm an
down.
engineer again.
If we kick him, the
Yeah.
whole lobby's going down.
May I ask? You should vote red. You should vote red first. You should vote red first, guys. You should vote red
Oh.
first.
Yeah, bro.
What the yap?
But first. Do something.
Pink. Why?
Guys, I saw pink vent. I saw pink vent. It's pink.
Yeah,
Did
pink
it?
vented. Pink vented.
Yeah, pink
No, I
vented.
did it! I was near the button!
Pink vented. Vote
Pink
pink.
vented.
Yeah, pink vented.
I
That's
didn't.
mine.
You
What
think
is
you can get away
proof?
with venting? Whenever there's only 0 engineers? Do you even know who
No,
you're talking
there
to?
is an
Dude,
engineer.
I
There
am
is an
engineer! What
I'm an
means zero
engineer too.
engineers?
I told you
got
kid's
engineers.
imposter.
I got an engineer.
I'm
the
not the
engineer.
imposter.
Skip, I vote skip.
I'm
know
the
you're not.
engineer,
I am
guys.
engineer.
I'm an engineer.
I'm not the
I'll show
imposter.
you I'm
I'm
an
actually the
engineer.
engineer.
I just wonder if you're
I'm
imposter.
You
Actually,
just
be
said there's
quiet.
no engineers, but I
It's
am
real.
the engineer.
Actually, I'm the engineer.
Me and Pink are probably the engineers.
Bro, Black! When did I ever win?
Hey, guys,
see me
I'm
now?
the
Why are you so
engineer.
heated
Don't
right
vote
now?
me out, please. I love
I'm gonna
using
drink
engineer
beer
as
first,
my
hey,
excuse
Hey
to
guys, I'm
vent.
gonna drink beer. Hey guys, I'm gonna
When
drink
there's
beer.
literally only one engineer, I feel like engineering is
No, there's
Dude,
two
I
I'm
am
I'm
the
drinking
only
beer right now,
engineer
so-
here.
I'm an
The gap
engineer.
is insane.
Not.
There's only
both
one engineer,
engineers.
bud. It's pink.
No,
The kid thinks
Oh,
he
wait.
can get away with engineering.
I'm an actual engineer. You're
No, you're
supposed
not.
Yeah, exactly. I
No,
believe
you're not.
you.
You're sussy.
I don't believe pink. I
I'm.
don't like pink.
You're sussy if you're trying to blame being an engineer.
I'm not the imposter.
Yeah, you
Alright,
are
say that
sus.
to the-
So
say
sus.
that
Yeah, say that to
the
space, bro.
5 billion
Say that to
people that
space.
voted you.
What?
I'm an engineer.
I knew he was hacking.
I'm an engineer. Bruh,
All right.
how was Black running
Well, I
away
guess it's
from
orange.
reactor? Black was running away from reactor.
I'm an engineer.
Ugh.
I'm an engineer, literally, bro. I
Alright.
swear I'm
Alright.
Who is
Guys,
it?
it's Black. I saw Black kill.
What?
I didn't see Black kill.
There's
Yeah, I saw
there's
Black
literally
kill.
no
He
other
killed.
dead body. There's literally no other dead body.
I'm
Where
gonna,
He
did you
killed
see
my
that body?
self-esteem.
hey guys, I'm gonna grab
Oh
another
my
beer.
god.
Maybe get some. Yeah. Not Pepsi. I want drinky. I want a beer.
What? Why was he sussing himself out? I'm engineer.
Bro,
He was sussing
Who's trying
himself
to
out.
point me out? It's Black. Black was the one.
What is
Oh my
Brack?
God.
What are you done for? The Brack you do nothing. I want to kill somebody.
Yellow vented. I think it's Black.
Yeah, because I'm an engineer.
I think it's Black. He's so, bro. I was trying to go to the fucking reactor right there, hit that shit. Yellow was right there with me. He vented because he's an engineer. Not sure about that one. Black's the only other one. He pointed me
Spamming
out.
my triggers on
Wait, what?
Bro, it's Black.
because I'm not the imposter. If I was the imposter,
Nah.
Booster. Booster.
Bruh, it's Black. You need to get this shit right here under control.
not a
Get this
word
one
I
right
heard.
here. It's Black. Get them the fuck up out of here.
Booster. That's a funny word. Oh.
Oh my god, I think it's. Oh, not again.
Like this be green.
I didn't kill nobody.
Wait, my game froze. My game froze. My game froze.
I was about to kiss somebody. Anybody's posting. I was about to kiss somebody.
What?
I think you're just raging because I'm too good at the game. I knew you were raging. You
Yes,
know, I
nobody
wish
noticed.
lying wasn't a part of the game.
I'm not good at lying.
Guys, we should report
I
Did
did
a
buy
thing
a
for
4. I did
lying.
buy a 4. You know I did? I took the girl on a date. You know I asked? I said I'm rich. And then the girl dated me and that for once. And
womp.
after that, I tell the truth. And she left me. Anyways, is anybody's gonna start now? Anyways, I'm gonna take my son today. Maybe take my
Tomato,
son.
tomato, they're the same thing, bud.
Hey, I was out here. You were trying to accuse me for something I didn't do. Bro, we're not even anywhere the fucking close to the same color.
But yeah, guys, if you want to know my son's name, yes, his name is Jimmy. See how with
I don't
Jimmy?
give a
You
fuck.
need Gimme.
Fuck
You
Jimmy.
need Gimme. Why am I always
Yo, wait,
engineer?
what'd Jimmy do?
I'm always engineer.
But why
I'm
did
always
why you
engineer.
who accused me of my buddy's son Jimmy?
I'm actually engineer, dude.
Who
What
stopped my
in
son?
the-